Today, I'm going to show you how to frame your shot within your home video studio to produce not only professional quality videos, but also look like the expert online from the comfort of your own home. Let's get started. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. I am Josh Roberson, and I create video studios for businesses that want to close more sales. So let's start framing the camera shot. First things first, you're gonna need a camera. I don't care if it's a phone, a laptop camera, a USB one like a Logitech, or a professional one. Doesn't matter. What I'm gonna say goes for every one of those cameras. First things first, you need level and stable. You might have to get a tripod if you're using your phone. You don't want to be shooting your videos and all of a sudden it tumbles off the desk. No one wants that. Second, center and frame. Like, you're gonna want to be the biggest thing on frame, closest to the camera, so people focus on you. You don't want to be way back here. Hey guys, welcome. No. No. That's not cool. More like this. Third one, lens at eye level. You're gonna look like I see you right here.
Don't go.
I'm looking at you. Number 4, you're gonna want 2 or 3 fingers above your head and the top of the frame. See, right now I'm too low. So it's either you boost your chair up or just sit up straighter for the video. Okay, number 5, please. No more up the nose shots. That is so 2020. And I hopefully don't ever have to see up the nose shots again. So if you're using a laptop, just get a couple books. Make sure that camera is eye level. Books, milk carton, whatever you got laying around the house. Doesn't have to be expensive. Now, this last one is personal preference. It's how much of you want people to see. See, I like to talk about my hands. So I like my hands part of the video. Hey, everybody, and welcome. You might not like that. You might like us totally no hands. So your hands are down here. Be moving just off screen. You might want closer shot. I mean, I don't really say you should go closer. I don't want to see just all face in the video. Usually it's about nipple up. That's a pretty good shot. So you might have to zoom it in or move the tripod further back or move yourself back if you want to do that. So go ahead and comment down below if you got any ahas, comments for me, reactions, insights, and shoot, if I missed something, let me know. Be sure to check out my next video where we're going to talk about layout. Now, actually how to lay out your space to maximize the space to the best of your ability. See you in the next video.